And sort about flowing capsules, water nets, cystocarp, chronocells, emulum, uh, tubule, and globule. Uh, Capsules. These are a distinctive feature found in the filamentous green alga Vido's genome. During cell division, ring-like thickening of new cell divisions. Cell wall material forms. The upper outer cells. mm, this inherit this expand ring, which appear as cap at its interior end. Cap at interior end. The number of caps indicates how many times the cell has divided. इसके बाद क्या था वाटर नेट ना. This is the most common name for green algal genus hydrodeoctine. Hydrodeoctine. It forms large floating hollow net-like colonies coenobia. So net-like colonies coenobia. Net-like colonies coenobia. Net-like colonies coenobia. Net-like colonies coenobia and net-like colonies coenobia. Net-like colonies coenobia. Cell wall is cylindrical cells. Cylindrical cells is dead about cylindrical. Cell wall consists of cylindrical cells that is about that. Pentagonal and hexagonal. The net. These are visible necked eyes. These are visible necked eyes. Grow rapidly in nutrient-rich and still water. Cystocarp. This is a specialized fruiting structure produced red alga rhodophyta. It forms the filamentous. It forms the filamentous containing dipole carpospore. ठीक ना. Dipole carpospores. ठीक ना. Dipole carpospores which is derived from the European cells of the which is derived from the nutrient which is derived from the called pericarp. Called pericarp, which develop of the female gamete is female gamete is tissue. The carpospore is eventually released to form the new stage of the cycle tetrasporophyte. इसके बाद coronal cells in context of the algal chara. These are a few cells. A first cells is top female male sex organs. Female sex organs Nicoli and female sex organs Nicoli. And entire the female sex organs Nicoli and egg cells in animal biology. animal biology, and inters the refers and inter to refers to the corona. The terms refers to the corona radiata. A layer of a coronal cells surrounding the ovum egg, and ovum eggs लेना ovum eggs. इसके बाद फिर क्या चले is much dispersed by sperms during fertilizations, ठीक है ना, during fertilizations. इसके बाद फिर क्या चाहिए fertilizations amyllium. It is a botanical term. This is a botanical term for starch, which is the primary reserve food materials. Green algae and higher plants. It is a typically stored. It is a typically stored edge. It is a typically stored edge. It is a typically storage edge. It is a typical storage as it is a typical storage as it is a typical structure as granular structure. Example in pyrenids in hydrodactin and cells and structure called cell center for structure. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं इसे vacuole and globules. These are the female and male gametes especially are the complex of the complex the algal chara vacuoles and the vacuoles also called the vaginum. Oval structure that contains a singles that contains a singles that contains a single and that contains a single single egg cells and is turned and is formed by the 5 spirally turned topped cells and the 5 coronal cells. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं global also called antheridium is a spherical structure red and yellow multicellular structure that produces non-motile male gametes spermatia. Answer complete.